Let's see this equation. We have this factor, let me change my color. This factor, this factor. You know, in mathematics, when we solve equations, a lot of times we want to use substitution method. But what to substitute? Let's think about the coefficient of x. So I have 6, I have 4, I have 3. And the least common multiple of those 3 is 12. So maybe we can construct 12x. So if we multiply by 4 with this one, this term will become 12x minus 4. Then we want to multiply 3 for this factor. We want to multiply 2 for this factor. 2 times 3 is 6. So we multiply by 6 on both sides. Then this factor becomes 12x minus 3. And this factor becomes 12x minus 2. Nice, right? Consecutive. 12x minus 2, 12x minus 3, 12x minus 4. That equals to 6. Okay, now what do we do? Now we want to rewrite those 3 factors. Let's use the middle one, right? Let's write this one, 12x minus 3 plus 1. The middle one, 12x minus 3. Then 12x minus 3 minus 1. Right? So let's substitute 12x minus 3. 12x minus 3, 12x minus 3, 12x minus 3. So let's see. Maybe we'll call m equals to 12x minus 3. So that equals 6. Then the equation becomes m plus 1 times m minus 1 equals to 6. Then this one, difference of 2 squares. So m times m squared minus 1. Well, let's put 6 on this side. Then we have m cubed minus m minus 6 equals 0. Okay, this is the cubic equation raised by 3 degree 3. So with degree 3, usually we want to use sum of 2 cubes or difference of 2 cubes. Let's see, remember, let's use a. Remember the formula a cubed minus b cubed. That equals to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, right? So here maybe we want to form that. So negative 6, maybe we can split into negative a plus 2. Because m cubed minus a, that's m cubed minus 2 cubed. Then we have negative m and positive 2. That's negative m plus 2. So this one we can factor as m minus 2 times m squared plus 2m plus 4. Right, this is the formula. Then these two can factor negative 1. So minus factor negative 1, then minus 2. Now you see we have constructed a common factor of m minus 2. So let's factor out m minus 2. Then we have this term, m squared plus 2m plus 4. And this one we left with minus 1. So now this is in the factored form. So we can use a 0 property to see, okay, this factor might be 0. That gives us m equals to 2. And this factor might be 0. That's m squared plus 2m plus 3. Or can this be 0? Well, let's see. M squared plus 2m plus 1 is a perfect factor. Right? So this is m plus 1 squared plus 2 equals 0. So in real number system, this square will be forever at least 0. So in real number system, this won't be 0. So that means we only have one solution, m equals 2. So now going backwards, remember m equals to 2. So here 2 equals to 12x minus 3. Then that's 12x equals to 5. So x divided by 12 on both sides. So x equals 5 over 12. So that's the solution for this one. Right. So what do we do for this complicated equation? Right? Usually we want to use a substitution method, but what to substitute is the key. So in this one, we figure out, okay, we substitute 12x minus 3. Then the equation become a lot of simple to solve.